Hi, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be opening this package and we're going to get to the puzzles inside. Now I'm actually going to be opening the box this time, unlike my first ever video, which is actually my most viewed video right now, which is kind of cool. So, let's open up this box. It's not a box. I made the same mistake as previously. And we got a puzzle here. Here's one puzzle. And anything else? Oh yeah, we have a second one. And that is it. So yeah, these are the puzzles I have now. So let's start with this one because it's a bit cooler. It actually comes in the same case as the Pentacle Cube. I think I still have that case. And so let's just get it out of this bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's just cool, you get to pop the bubble. Anyway, here we have the puzzle, and we have to pull on this thing. And now we have this, and we can take it out. Oh, there's even more packaging. It's packaged pretty well. That's 4 levels of packaging, so it's pretty easy to get. And here is the puzzle, and let's do some turns. So this part here is pretty well, and it also looks kind of cool. But if I line up some of them, it's weird, like they kind of snap into place, not really. It's really cool. Now, I've actually watched a video of someone solving this, but I'm pretty sure I could even figure it out myself because this puzzle is really easy. I don't really want to solve it yet. But basically what you can do is you can turn a thing, turn it out of the way. That's cool. And as you can see, I just did a simple 2-piece swap. And if you can do a 2-piece swap on all different types of pieces, then like it's really easy to solve. So let's do a bit of a size comparison with the Pentacle Cube, and unlike you'd expect, it's actually a little bit bigger. So yeah, we don't need this. That is the ancient coin cube. Let's get this out of the way. And then the other puzzle we have, this is the one that I'm more excited about because it is a Gigaminx, as you can see. It's kind of small. Smaller than I expected. But I guess it'd be the same size as my Master Gigaminx 4x4 dodecahedron. So, got the box. And then over here, the packaging, of course. And it's super greasy, like any Shiny style puzzle. Seriously, this thing's greasy. Let me attempt to wash it, but I probably won't be able to. And I've cleaned it sort of, but not really. Anyway, let's do some turns. It turns kind of nice. It turns just like I would expect it to turn. It turns pretty good, but it's not perfect. It's basically a 5x5 version of the Gigaminx. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, and yeah, I'm pretty sure you just reduce the centers or just the edges and solve it like 5x5. Now I've actually never had one of these before, but I have had the downgrade versions. We got 4x4 version. We have 3x3 version and the 2x2 version. Let me move it here, sorry. I'm looking over here. I'm not really looking at the camera. We got 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and now 5x5. So for some size comparisons, here it is compared to that. It's actually exactly the same size, which makes sense because this is basically just kind of modified from this. Try it compared to a Gigaminx. They're actually about the same weight. This one's a little bit heavier, and this one, for some reason, this one feels heavier. I don't know why. That's weird. And also compared to a 3x3, yeah, it's massive. And yeah, this one's heavier. We got this. We don't need any of this anymore. But anyway, that concludes this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.